So this is my Yamaha R3 that I got in 2 years now. Last year I had problems starting the bike and kind of figured that it's the battery. So I went ahead and changed the battery to Motobatt. Currently it's sitting. The bike has been turned on for 2 days now. It didn't start again, so I charged up the battery and it still didn't start. I'm testing the voltmeter. It's sitting at 12.41. The bike is now currently turned off. Ignition switch is off. Everything is actually it's not. So back on, back on. Everything comes online. You can see that the lights is on. We'll put this turn signal working. Horn is good. The voltage is dropping to 11.6 now. Ideally it should be more than 12, which is what I'm a little bit confused. It's somewhere, I think it's draining the battery. So when I start the bike, I know the kickstand is on, but there's no switch that prevents it from not starting. I've done this many times before. So I'm gonna power on the, so you can see that's coming from the rectifier. Again, the voltage is significantly dropping from 12 point something to 11.09. Now then it's increasing steadily, maybe a little bit. Turn on the keys, goes up. So what I have done, check the fuse. This is the fuse box. That's the rectifier relay assembly. I think this is the starter. This is the part that I'm not too sure how to take it off, and I've removed the extra cable. That is the cable to connect or to the charger, the trickle charger thingy, and the contact points are pretty clean. And I've looked around and checked around. I couldn't see anything that is actually showing me an indication of short circuit. Anyway, so that's that. Now this is the charger I use, battery charger, and currently it's hooked up to the original, as you can see, maybe not, the Yamaha Yuasa battery that came with the bike. This is the one that I originally had, and had problems starting winter, even though it was connected to a battery tender junior. And so I went ahead and got this like 2 days ago, because it was on sale for $45 at Canadian Tire. So now this is hooked up to, it's been sitting here. I'm gonna unplug this. As you can see, it's a 13.68 to, oh actually yes, connect to the battery. And what I also did is I opened up the rectifier relay assembly, and I actually found that there's a, if you don't know, you can see it, there is a fuse in there, and I opened up the fuse box first for you guys to see it. So the fuse box is right here, and I checked all the fuses, seems to be okay. I'm gonna put that fuse down into this hole, which is right here, and you just push this back in. The only thing I'm not too sure is how to measure the voltage on this. So if we were to open this up, and there is the rectifier thingy that connects to the positive and negative terminals. You should be able to open it up, take it off, take it all apart, and then should be able to measure the voltage. And so do the same with the right battery.